Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate asset allocation with Fidelity. Complete guides. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account through their website or mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trades section on the main menu. From there, select Investment Products. Next, look for the option labeled Robo-Advisor or Automated Investing. Click on the Robo-Advisor link to learn more about this. Review the details on how automated asset allocation works. If you decide to proceed, click Get Started or Enroll Now. You will be prompted to complete a risk tolerance questionnaire. Answer all questions regarding your financial goals, investment horizon, and risk appetite. Once you've submitted your questionnaire, Fidelity will analyze your responses. Based on your answers, Fidelity will recommend an asset allocation strategy tailored to your needs. Review the recommended asset allocation. If you agree with the proposal, confirm you're set up to proceed. Next, fund your investment account by linking a bank account or transferring funds from an existing account. Make sure to specify how much money you want to invest initially. After funding, set up your automatic contributions if desired. You can choose how often you want to contribute, such as weekly or monthly. Once everything is set, Fidelity will handle the ongoing asset rebalancing for you. Monitor your investments periodically by logging into your account. Adjust your preferences or contributions as your financial situation changes. Stay informed about market conditions, as Fidelity will provide updates that may influence your strategy. This automation process allows you to focus on your financial goals while Fidelity manages the details. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with automated asset allocation tailored to your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.